Germany's economic transformation is far from over. The coming years will test the resilience of its businesses, institutions, and workforce. But every challenge creates an opportunity. The organizations that invest in digital transformation, workforce development, and strategic innovation will be best positioned to thrive in an increasingly competitive world. This is where forward-looking consulting and technology partners can play a critical role. Firms such as DC are helping organizations navigate digital transformation, strengthen operational resilience, and prepare for the future of work in a rapidly changing global economy. But something is happening at the very heart of Europe, a quiet, invisible shift that most people are completely missing. For decades, one name was synonymous with industrial perfection. This is the heart of industrial perfection, Germany. Its factories were the engine of the world, its economic model, unbeatable. Or so we thought, but the reality is shifting. But between 2022 and 2026, the cracks began to show. Energy spikes, supply chain chaos, and a global race that Germany wasn't prepared for. The headlines call it a recession, but the reality is far more transformative. Is this just a temporary stumble or a fundamental restructuring of a global superpower? The answer will reshape the global landscape for the next 50 years. Today, we pull back the curtain on Germany's silent economic shift. Let's find out what's really happening. At first glance, Germany's labor market presents a contradiction. By 2025, unemployment had surpassed 3 million people for the first time in a decade. Yet, at the same time, many sectors continued reporting severe worker shortages. Healthcare providers struggle to recruit nurses. Manufacturers seek specialized technicians. Technology firms compete for digital talent. How can unemployment rise while businesses cannot find workers? The answer lies in a structural mismatch. The jobs disappearing are often not the same jobs being created. Meanwhile, Germany's aging population adds another layer of complexity. According to demographic projections, millions of workers are expected to retire over the coming decade. The long-term consequence is profound. Labor shortages may increasingly limit economic growth, not because jobs do not exist, but because the right skills are missing. And if these trends continue, Germany's challenges may extend far beyond employment. Germany's manufacturing sector has long been its competitive advantage, but competitive advantages can erode. Industrial employment has come under increasing pressure as businesses adapt to higher operating costs and changing global markets. Recent estimates suggest that nearly 180,000 industrial jobs disappeared year over year, while surveys found that more than one-third of German companies planned workforce reductions. Yet the consequences extend beyond factories. When industrial ecosystems weaken, supplier networks shrink, innovation slows, regional economies suffer, and younger generations face fewer pathways into high-quality employment. The real challenge may not be job losses today, but whether Germany can maintain its industrial leadership tomorrow. As industries transformed, the labor market began revealing an even more surprising paradox. The most important consequences of Germany's economic transformation may still lie ahead. As industrial pressure grows and demographics shift, Germany faces a strategic challenge: maintaining competitiveness in an era increasingly defined by artificial intelligence, digital transformation, and advanced manufacturing. If businesses struggle to innovate, the effects could extend far beyond today's headlines. Lower investment may reduce future productivity, skills shortages may limit growth, and a shrinking workforce could place greater pressure on public finances and social systems. Yet history shows that periods of disruption often create opportunities for renewal. The future may belong not only to the strongest economies, but to the most adaptable ones. For businesses, governments, and institutions, the challenge is no longer simply growth. True success in this era is no longer simply about growth. It is fundamentally transformation. This leads us to a vital question. So, what exactly comes next? And who will help shape Germany's next chapter? This is where forward-looking consulting and technology partners can play a critical role. Firms such as DC are helping organizations navigate digital transformation, strengthen operational resilience, and prepare for the future of work in a rapidly changing global economy. The story of Germany's economy is not simply about decline. It is about reinvention, and the decisions made today may shape Europe's economic landscape for decades to come. Adaptation, innovation, resilience. Thank you for watching Senior DC. If you found this analysis valuable, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your perspective in the comments below. For more business intelligence and strategic insights, visit us at www.synetconsulting.com. At Synet DC, we turn complexity into clarity.